Hi there, to enable and disable NFC on your Poco X7, we got two ways. The first one is you can open Settings. Here, find the More Connectivity Options tab. And after that, you would see your NFC. So basically, this feature allows data exchange when this device touches another. And to enable it, you need to tap on the switcher so it will light up blue like this. To disable, tap again so it will become gray. Another option how you can reach this feature is swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger your control center and find it either in your control center indicated by this N letter or maybe add from system toggles or app toggles. And after that you can tap on it like this so it will light up blue and would be enabled. Also, interesting fact, if Wi-Fi and mobile data are disabled, this feature still would be working and you'll be able to make contactless payments. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.